How to make a magic wand for entertainment purposes only, or is it? I put a spell on you, now subscribe to PurpleTube. Just kidding. Subscribe if you want. Hit that bell notification. I started off with a stick. You have to remove the bark and use sandpaper to sand it off, and so you don't have any rough spots. I actually pulled these out of my pond, and the beavers chewed all of the bark off for me, and it's neat, they even chewed it at an angle on each side. You can experiment and make any design you want, but I just went around. I did 2 coats of paint on each of these. This one I did all purple, and then at the tip I put glow-in-dark paint.